Earthquake! Go down!
Hi. I bet you guys are wondering what the heck was going on in that video. Want a few clips? I can explain the primary waves and the secondary waves of an earthquake.
I'm going to represent the primary wave.
And I'm going to represent the secondary wave.
Now we're going to do a speed test to see which wave is faster. Alright, ready? Go! Clearly the winner is the primary wave. Now we're going to do a test to see what the primary wave can travel through. Matt will be running through all the things he can. Heckman will represent a solid, Zach will represent a liquid, and Sam will be representing a gas.
Gentlemen, start your engines!
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Ready, set, go!
We're a solid, liquid, and a gas. Alright, now we'll go through the test to see what the secondary wave can go through. Again, Heckman will be representing a solid, Zach will be representing a liquid, and Sam will be again representing a gas.
Gentlemen, start your engines. Ready, set, go.
Got through a solid, could not get through a liquid, and also could not get through a gas. That was our film of the primary and secondary waves of an earthquake.
I like Peter Pan.